Chaos Space Marine Havocs are the Heretic Astartes variant of the Space Marine Devastator, heavy weapon specialists who are trained to annihilate the foe at range. Some Heretic Astartes squads carry a high proportion of heavy weapons to lay down supporting fire for their brethren, known as Havocs. These squads provide devastating anti-infantry and anti-armor firepower and dominate large swaths of the battlefield with their merciless volleys of fire. A Chaos Havoc squad normally consists of 4 Chaos Space Marines armed with heavy weapons and an aspiring champion of Chaos who serves as the squad leader. Such is the blood-pounding thrill of pounding heavy fire into the enemy ranks that many Havocs become obsessed by the power their weapons afford them. They see themselves as gods on the battlefield, blasting the insect vermin of the enemy into oblivion with each twitch at the finger. Over time, a Havoc squad that lingers within the warp may find their heavy weapons becoming a part of them, extensions of their own physical body that could never be laid down or relinquished. Casings blend with flesh. Blood plasma becomes highly volatile, and ammunition hoppers become hungry second mouths that snap and growl for more bullets. Eventually, Chaos Space Marine and weapon become one and the same entity. This is the way of chaos, where the warp bleeds into real space. It is not nature that defines form, but deadly physical compulsion. The ugliness in the Havoc soul is made manifest in the flesh for all to see. Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.